The LX10 features a Aperture ring. As you can see it moving here. It has two flanges. The corresponding gear ring has two notches to work and sit over those two flanges. So you want to line up those two notches with the flanges and then press down to where it sits over the aperture ring. And then you can take the included Allen wrench and tighten up 3 nylon set screws to kind of just snug it up against the camera. Don't go too tight because you want to keep this from going out of round. And now that can stay on the camera basically indefinitely. And you'll notice that it has a drive gear on the inside. It corresponds to this knob here and spins that. So when you install the camera into the front of the housing by lining up the camera mount with the base, you can feel as you push forward that will, you have to make sure that the controls are pulled up and out of the way. We'll start to engage with that drive gear, and you'll actually feel it stop at both ends. And then once you feel that, make sure everything else lines up, and then put your back on. And that's that.